Let us begin a new day by asking the blessing from the Almighty. So let us continue with this chapter, chapter number 11. Chapter number 11, Algebra. So today, the second lecture, we will learn different laws. First one is commutativity. Commutative law for commutative property or addition and multiplication. Commutative property. Commutativity. So commutativity of addition and multiplication. What is commutativity of addition and page number 229. What is commutative? Commuting means interchanging a plus b equal to b plus a. This is commutative. A plus b equal. Interchanging the numbers. If two numbers are there, then interchange in addition or multiplication. Now look at here. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Then what is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So you can write 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. Interchanging. पहले मैंने 2 लिखा था, बाद में 3 लिखा है. इधर तो पहले 3 लिखा, बाद में 2 लिखा. So interchanging the number, changing the position of the number, but there is no changing one. Okay. Now second one is multiplication. में 2 3s are 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6. पहले 2 लिखा, बाद में 3 लिखा. तो आंसर 6 आ गया. अभी चेंज कर लो. पहले 3 लिखो, बाद में 2 लिखो. 3 2s are 6. That means 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 6. So 3 into 2. So that means when the two numbers you are changing the position, interchanging the position, then the value will be the same. You will get the same value. So 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 6. So interchanging the position of numbers, but there is no change. So that is called the commutativity. Commutativity for addition and multiplication. When we interchange the number, but there is no change in the value. This is what we call the commutativity. Then we will move to the next one is, and the same way, multiplication as well as and multiplication में a into b equal to b into a. This is addition and multiplication. And second one is what is called distributivity. What is this distributivity? Distributivity of numbers. Distributivity of numbers. What is this distributivity of numbers? Here also 3 numbers are. You can write a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. A into b plus a into c. That means the property can distribute the multiplication is distributive over addition. A bracket में b plus c है. two numbers adding होगा. बाहर a. So the distribution a into b plus a into c. And this is what we call the distributive property or distributive law. Okay? Distributive. Inside the bracket, 2 numbers are there, b plus c, and outside the bracket a is here. So first a will go to b, that is a into b. A is multiplying with b, that is a into b. Then of course the middle signature, middle sign, that is plus, then A multiplied with the C. Okay, this A into C, and this is what we call the distributive property. Okay, then the third one is the associative property. What is that? Associative property. Third one is associative. What is this associativity of numbers? This is on page number 231. 231. Again here also, if three numbers are there, A plus B plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Look at here, three numbers A, B, C numbers are. Here, first of all, I am adding these two numbers A and B because we have to these two are in the bracket. So आपको A और B add करना है, प्लस करना है. फिर इनका जो आंसर आएगा उसको C से साथ प्लस करना है. Here what will happen? B को और C add करेगा, उसके बाद में A के साथ ऐड करेगा, तो भी आंसर सही आएगा. देखिए, अब एग्जांपल आपको मैं ये बता रहा हूँ. Three numbers are there. What is three number? 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. See, 3 number B equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4, 7 equal to 9. Or again 2 plus 3 plus 4. अब इधर क्या कर दिया? पहले दोनों साथ में प्लस कर दिया. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. तो अगर साइड आप 3 नंबर हो तो पहले और दूसरा प्लस कर लो. इनका आंसर है 3 plus 4 7. तो फर्स्ट वन के साथ प्लस करो तो भी नहीं रहेगा. अगर 3 नंबर है, पहला नंबर और दूसरा नंबर है तो 2 plus 3 5 और ये दोनों प्लस करते हैं 5 plus 4 तो तीसरा नंबर के साथ प्लस करो वो भी नहीं आएगा. This property is known as the associative property of numbers. Okay, so please complete this homework and these notes on the board, and also complete the homework exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3 is your homework. Exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.